biography of Carl Sagan in America. Carl Edward Sagan, November 9, 1934 to December 20, 1996, was an American astronomer, cosmologist, astrophysicist, author, science communicator, and educator. Sagan is best known for his 13-part 1980 television series Cosmos, A Personal Voyage, which has been seen by over 600 million people in 60 countries. He was also the co-writer and narrator of the 1981 sequel Cosmos, A Personal Voyage, and the author of several best-selling books, including Cosmos, Pale Blue Dot, A Vision of the Human in the Universe, and The Demon-Haunted World, Science as a Candle in the Dark. Sagan was born in Brooklyn, New York, and grew up in the nearby borough of Queens. He showed an early interest in science and astronomy, and by the age of 10, he had decided to become an astronomer. Sagan attended James Madison High School in Brooklyn, where he was a member of the Astronomy Club and the Science Fiction Club. In 1951, he won the Westinghouse Science Talent Search for his project on the origin of meteorites. Sagan graduated from the University of Chicago in 1955 with a bachelor's degree in physics. He then earned his master's degree, 1956, and doctorate, 1960, in astronomy and astrophysics from the same university. Sagan's early research focused on the atmospheres of the outer planets, and he was one of the first scientists to propose that Venus had a runaway greenhouse effect that made its surface too hot for life. In 1962, Sagan joined the faculty of Cornell University, where he remained for the rest of his career. He served as director of the Laboratory for Planetary Studies from 1968 to 1971, and as director of the Center for Radiophysics and Space Research from 1971 to 1981. Sagan was also a prolific writer and communicator, publishing over 600 scientific papers and articles and writing 20 books, many of which became bestsellers. Sagan's most famous work is Cosmos, A Personal Voyage, which was broadcast on PBS in 1980. The series explored the history of astronomy, the nature of the universe, and the place of humanity in the cosmos. Cosmos was a critical and popular success, and it made Sagan one of the most famous scientists in the world. Sagan was also a vocal advocate for science and reason. He was a founding member of the Committee for the Scientific Investigation of Claims of the Paranormal, CSICOP, and he was a frequent critic of pseudoscience and superstition. Sagan was also a strong supporter of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, and he played a key role in the design of the Voyager Golden Record, which was sent into space aboard the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft in 1977. Sagan died in Seattle, Washington, in 1996, at the age of 62. He is considered one of the most influential scientists and communicators of his generation. His work helped to inspire a generation of young people to pursue careers in science, and his vision of a universe teeming with life continues to inspire scientists and science fiction fans alike. In addition to his scientific accomplishments, Sagan was also a gifted writer and communicator. His books and articles were widely read and admired, and his television series Cosmos reached millions of viewers around the world. Sagan's ability to explain complex scientific concepts in a clear and engaging way made him one of the most effective science communicators of his time. Sagan's legacy is one of scientific inquiry, wonder, and awe. He challenged us to think big and to look beyond the confines of our own planet. He reminded us that we are all part of something much larger than ourselves, and that the universe is a place of infinite possibilities. Sagan's work continues to inspire us to explore, to learn, and to never stop asking questions about the world around us. A Cosmic Journey Through America. Early life and spark of curiosity. Born in Brooklyn, New York in 1934, Carl Sagan's fascination with the cosmos began early. At just 5, he was mesmerized by the night sky and the stories about constellations his parents shared. Curiosity wasn't limited to celestial bodies. He devoured science fiction, built homemade telescopes, and conducted experiments in his makeshift laboratory. Academic brilliance and scientific pursuits. Sagan's brilliance shone through in his academic pursuits. He excelled in science and math, graduating from James Madison High School with top honors. His passion for astronomy led him to the prestigious University of Chicago, where he earned his bachelor's, master's, and doctorate degrees in astronomy and astrophysics. Pioneering research and unraveling planetary mysteries. Sagan's research delved into the atmospheres of Venus, Jupiter, and other planets. He challenged the prevailing assumption that Venus was Earth-like, demonstrating its scorching reality with a runaway greenhouse effect. His groundbreaking work on Titan, Saturn's moon, suggested the possibility of prebiotic chemistry and liquid oceans hidden beneath its icy surface. Cosmos, a personal voyage, sharing the wonders of the universe. In 1980, Sagan embarked on a journey that would change the face of science communication. His 13-part television series, Cosmos, A Personal Voyage, captivated audiences worldwide. With Sagan's charismatic narration and breathtaking visuals, the vastness of space, the intricacies of the cosmos, and the place of humanity within it became accessible to everyone. Championing science and reason, Sagan was a staunch advocate for scientific inquiry and critical thinking. He co-founded the Committee for the Scientific Investigation of Claims of the Paranormal, CSICOP, to debunk pseudoscience and advocate for evidence-based reasoning. He actively campaigned against nuclear proliferation and championed the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI. Voyager's Golden Record, a message to the cosmos. Sagan played a pivotal role in crafting the Voyager Golden Record, a time capsule launched into space aboard Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft in 1977. Containing sounds, images, and music representing the diversity of life and culture on Earth, this interstellar message aimed to connect with any potential extraterrestrial civilization that might encounter it. A legacy of inspiration and enduring wonder. Carl Sagan's impact on science communication and public understanding of the universe is immeasurable. He inspired generations to pursue scientific careers, kindled a sense of wonder about the cosmos, and challenged us to think beyond our planet. His words continue to resonate, reminding us of our place in the vast cosmic dance and urging us to explore, learn, and never stop asking questions about the world around us. This is just a glimpse into the remarkable life and legacy of Carl Sagan. I hope it has sparked your curiosity to learn more about this extraordinary scientist, communicator, and champion of wonder. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of Carl Sagan. From Brooklyn to the cosmos. Early days. Born in Brooklyn in 1934, Sagan's curiosity flourished in a neighborhood buzzing with diverse cultures and intellectual fervor. His parents, Samuel and Rachel, nurtured his thirst for knowledge, fueling his fascination with science fiction and the cosmos. Academic voyage. Driven by an insatiable quest for understanding, Sagan embarked on an academic journey that took him to the prestigious James Madison High School, followed by the University of Chicago. There, he earned his bachelor's, master's, and doctorate degrees, all in astronomy and astrophysics. His academic prowess was evident, but it was his passion for unraveling the mysteries of the universe that truly set him apart. Pioneering planetary science. Planetary atmospheres. Sagan's research focused on the atmospheres of the outer planets. He challenged the prevailing view of Venus as a sister planet to Earth, demonstrating its scorching reality with a runaway greenhouse effect. His work on Titan, Saturn's moon, revealed the possibility of prebiotic chemistry and hidden oceans beneath its icy surface. Cosmic chemist, Sagan's experiments, like the Miller-Urey experiment he recreated, offered compelling evidence that the fundamental building blocks of life could have arisen spontaneously from simple chemicals under the right conditions, hinting at the potential for life beyond Earth. Sharing the wonders of the universe. Cosmos, A Personal Voyage. In 1980, Sagan's vision took form in the groundbreaking television series, Cosmos, A Personal Voyage. With his captivating narration and awe-inspiring visuals, he transported millions of viewers on a journey through space and time, igniting a passion for science and the cosmos in hearts around the world. Popularizing science. Sagan's ability to translate complex scientific concepts into accessible and engaging language made him a pioneer in science communication. His books, like Pale Blue Dot and Cosmos, became bestsellers, further cementing his role as a bridge between the scientific community and the general public. Championing science and reason. Skeptical inquirer, Sagan was a staunch advocate for critical thinking and evidence-based reasoning. He co-founded the Committee for the Scientific Investigation of Claims of the Paranormal, CSICOP, to debunk pseudoscience and promote scientific skepticism. Nuclear disarmament. Sagan's concern for the future of humanity extended beyond the cosmos. He was a vocal critic of nuclear proliferation, using his platform to advocate for disarmament and peace, leaving a legacy for the ages. Voyager's Golden Record. In 1977, Sagan played a pivotal role in crafting the Voyager Golden Record, a message in a bottle launched into interstellar space aboard Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft. Carrying sounds, images, and music representing the diversity of life and culture on Earth, this record serves as a testament to humanity's existence and a potential bridge to any extraterrestrial civilization that might encounter it. Inspiring generations, Carl Sagan's impact on science communication and public understanding of the universe is immeasurable. He inspired generations to pursue scientific careers, kindled a sense of wonder about the cosmos, and challenged us to think beyond our planet. His words continue to resonate, reminding us of our place in the vast cosmic dance and urging us to explore, learn, and never stop asking questions about the world around us. This is just a starting point for your journey into the remarkable life and legacy of Carl Sagan. Remember, the universe is waiting to be explored, and Sagan's work can guide you on that awe-inspiring adventure. Let curiosity be your compass, and never lose sight of the wonders that lie beyond our pale blue dot. Interested in Carl Sagan, and I'm happy to delve even deeper. What specific aspects of his life or work would you like to explore further? I can offer details on personal life, Sagan's family background and relationships, his interests and hobbies beyond science, his struggles and controversies, scientific contributions, in-depth explanations of his research on specific planets or phenomena, the impact of his work on various fields of science, his role in major space missions and projects, communication and advocacy, the techniques he used to make science accessible to the public, the impact of Cosmos, and his other books on science education, his activism on issues like nuclear weapons and climate change, legacy and influence, how Sagan's work continues to inspire and shape scientific thinking, the impact he had on other scientists and science communicators, the challenges and opportunities for science communication in the modern world. Remember, there's no limit to what we can learn about Carl Sagan. Just let me know which areas pique your curiosity the most, and I'll be happy to provide you with more information and insights. The renowned astronomer and science communicator passed away on December 20, 1996, at the age of 62. His death was attributed to pneumonia, a complication of myelodysplasia, a bone marrow disorder. Sagan's death was a significant loss to the scientific community and the world at large. He was a charismatic figure who inspired millions of people to learn more about the universe and appreciate the wonders of science. His legacy continues to live on through his writings, television series, and the countless individuals he influenced through his work. Instead of dwelling on the specifics of his death, let's take this opportunity to celebrate Carl Sagan's remarkable life and the enduring impact he has had on our understanding of the cosmos. Perhaps we can revisit some of his inspiring quotes, explore his groundbreaking work on planetary atmospheres, or even re-watch the awe-inspiring Cosmos, a personal voyage, to rekindle our sense of wonder about the universe. I hope this information is helpful and allows you to focus on the positive aspects of Carl Sagan's life and legacy. Focusing on Carl Sagan's life and legacy is truly meaningful. While I offered information about his death previously, I understand you might be interested in deeper aspects of his final years. Here are some additional details, with a focus on the positive. Facing adversity with grace. Diagnosed with myelodysplasia in 1994, Sagan faced this challenge with characteristic tenacity and optimism. He continued working actively, writing, and completing the filming of Cosmos, a personal voyage, determined to share his passion for science even amidst difficult circumstances. During this time, he explored the philosophical and existential questions surrounding illness and mortality, leading to poignant reflections in his book, Pale Blue Dot. Finding strength in family and work. Surrounded by his wife, Annie, and his children, Sagan drew strength from his family throughout his illness. He also found solace in his beloved work, using it as a way to connect with others and leave a lasting legacy. Even during his final months, he stayed engaged in scientific discussions and outreach programs, contributing to ongoing research and inspiring young minds. A legacy of courage and curiosity. Sagan's final years were marked not by illness or decline, but by his unwavering dedication to scientific exploration and human connection. He faced his mortality with courage and grace, inspiring others to do the same. His example reminds us to cherish our time on this pale blue dot, and to never lose sight of the immense wonders of the universe that lie beyond. I hope this provides a more nuanced and positive perspective on Carl Sagan's final years. Remember, his spirit and dedication live on through his work.